So we got this 128 GB SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Go USB Type-C flash drive from Western Digital. It is compatible with smartphones, tablets, iPhone 15, desktop and notebook computers, even for TV box. So let's first unbox it. The reason for purchasing this is to back up my useful data from phone, but also as a regular USB to store software and games that usually requires large storage capacity. As the name suggests, the drive is dual-sided, which means you will get Type-C on the one end to connect phones and devices, while USB Type-A on the other side to connect it to your notebook, PC, or even Android TV or a TV box. The swivel design helps protect connectors on both the sides. Before using it on phone, make sure to turn on OTG connection from settings. Once you connect, the drive will show up in the file manager. You can locate the Memory Zone app and install it. SanDisk Memory Zone allows you to move files from your phone to micro SD card or SanDisk drive. It comes with tools to manage apps and even provide local and cloud data backup solutions. When connected to the computer, the drive does not require any driver and is visible in Device Manager as shown. We made sure if the drive is genuine by checking it with Chip Genius and also Fake Flash Test. The drive came out to be a genuine. We benched the disk using benchmark software on the computer. The read and write speeds were not good enough for 3.2 Gen 1 device. On the phone side, it was equivalent of Class 10 UHD micro SD card. When downloading huge files on this USB, your downloads may stop because of the Fat32 file system. So we are going to use different file system. Here is a list of pros and cons for both file systems. As you can see, exFat is newer and provides more functions. So we are going to format our SanDisk dual drive into exFat file system. To do that, we will download and install Minitool Partition Wizard on your desktop or laptop computer. Make sure your drive is empty because we are going to format it. To begin with, we will right click on our USB drive and check properties to make sure it is the right drive. We will right click and click on format. Here select exFat and give name to the disk. And click OK and then click apply. Press yes on the dialog and in few seconds your drive is ready to be used. You can check to confirm if it is formatted in the correct format. After conversion, we did benchmark and as you can see, there was no major change in read-write speeds while plugged on the computer. Similarly, we didn't notice any major change in read and write speeds while plugged into the phone. Classification of this dual drive on the phone is only good for storing data but not for playback, while the speeds on the computer side are not that of the USB 3.2 Gen 1. Thank you for watching. See you next time.